36th District Court is now back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's absolutely no walking around, reading, talking, sleeping, smoking, driving, or eating. When your name is called, please give the court your full and undivided attention. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Everyone, when I call your name, please let the attorney say their name first, and then you say your name. This is the people versus A-Man Ryder, ticket number SX4168018. Count 1, speed, non-freeway, 1 to 5 over. Good morning, please say your name.
Good morning, Deborah Miller, P81863, on behalf of Ayman Rida.
All right, this matter was set for trial at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:18. Officer has appeared. Ms. Miller, do you have a motion?
I would like to motion for this to be dropped to impeding.
The officer has not appeared. So would you motion to dismiss this matter?
Yes, please.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Miller. Good luck to your client.
Thank you.
Officer Shine?
Shine is in the hallway, Your Honor.
All right, this is the people versus Stuart Reynolds. Ticket number SP1428214, count 1, illegal dumping. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with the people.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the city of Detroit, P70303. We also have our complaining witness, Detective Greeno.
Detective, say your name, please.
Dang it.
We can hear you, Detective.
Okay. Detective Jana Greeno, badge D 1357.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Harry Boffman, P55052, on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your full name for the record.
Stuart Reynolds.
Judge, we're here for the purpose of a trial. The defendant is here and now going to waive his right to that trial and plead guilty. Pursuant to the recommendation that is for a 12-month delayed sentence, the defendant has been advised. Thank you.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Reynolds. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Nothing but the truth.
You can just say yes or no.
Yeah.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to, I'm sorry, strike that. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Boffman, in private about your case and your right.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No.
You're pleading of your own free will?
Yeah.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yeah.
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes.
I want to direct your attention to the date of September 12, 2020 at 8:02 p.m. On that date, time were you at near Queen and Glenfield in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 2004 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yeah.
Did you engage in illegal dumping?
Yes.
You're satisfied, Mr. Boffman?
I am satisfied. Thank you, Your Honor.
Court is also satisfied the factual basis will accept the admission to proceed to sentencing. This is a 12-month delayed sentence, Mr. Reynolds. So that means you have 12 months to pay the fine of $200 when you come back on your next court date of May 6, 2024 at 8:35. You need to show proof that you paid the fine. And in that next year, you can't get any more tickets. So essentially no further police contact. Once you've done all that's been asked of you, sir, this will be dismissed off your record. Do you have any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right, so you're all set. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, Greeno.
Forgive my interruption. Ms. Dortch, would you please return to the breakout room? Thank you.
And real quickly, Mr. Boffman, we have a Rashonda Reed in the hallway here.
Okay.
I'm not sure if you're handling her. She's in the hallway though. She's at 8:30.
I'll be happy to. Does she have a cell?
I can get that for you and go in the hallway.
Would you be so kind? And if she does, you can give her my number. She can call me.
Okay. And then it was one more. Oh, who's handling Ray Shoney?
Who's
saying Ray Shoney?
That's for trial, right?
Oh, that's a retained
Retained,
counsel.
right.
Oh, I see. Okay. All right, so I have to zoom in and talk to that person. Did Corporal Rule come in?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I'll wait for that one.
And this is the people versus
Thanks, Judge.
Fareed Davidson, ticket number SP 1365348, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Reed Davidson.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. I'm pleased to announce he's arriving in compliance, Judge. In fact, I have seen and can verify that he registration in for his 2010 Chrysler. It expires on September 23rd of 2000. Oh, excuse me, that's not the right person. Forgive me, Your Honor. Let me ask if the court would set aside some defaults. The defendant received on the same date that he received these tickets. They are for no insurance and a defective light. I have and can confirm as an officer of the court that he does have insurance that is current and valid and will not expire until October 11th, 2023, Your Honor. That and the registration to his 2008 Dodge Charger. His registration will not expire until September 9th of 2023. For those reasons and for the reasons that he actually showed me the tail light that was in question and that it's intact and fully functioning, would you please dismiss these matters as well as those matters in default that I'm moving to set aside for compliance? I would stipulate to probable cause for that and thank the court and the prosecutor.
Tamika Horn on behalf of the people, P70303. No objection to the relief being sought today.
All right, so the court will set aside the default judgments for count 1, expired plates, and count 3, defective brake lights. And with that, the court will dismiss all 3 matters without prejudice as Mr. Davidson has provided valid documentation.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
You as well.
Thank you.
I'm all set to leave.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
This is the people versus Sean Day. Ticket number SP 1407335.
Harry Bachman on behalf of the defendant. Is there more? Okay, I'm sorry.
Okay, count 1, defective or missing equipment, and count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. All right, go ahead.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. Sir, state your name for the record.
Sean Anderson Day.
Your Honor, would you accept, please, a not guilty plea from the defendant today? Set this matter for a next action date, and it's going to give him time to come back in compliance.
I believe.
We did that once before, Your Honor, admittedly. But he just needs to get his insurance. He was unable to do that for financial reasons.
Oh, it's set for, okay, I got it. I thought it was set for a trial. Okay, so do you want to set, what are you asking to set this for another pre-trial or for another trial?
You might as well set it for trial just for judicial economy, but we probably wouldn't need a trial date. He's going to be in compliance.
All right, and this will be a bench trial.
Please and thank you, Your Honor. The defendant's been advised.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Day. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial, May 23rd at 9 o'clock.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Good luck to you, sir.
You too.
This is the people versus Richard Rogers, ticket number SP 1426216. Count one. One moment. Is a driving register and type of vehicle. Count two, disregard signal red or amber. Count three, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Rogers, would you unmute your device, please? State your full name for the record.
Richard Rogers.
Your Honor, this is a date and time for a trial. There's no complaining witness, so I'd ask you at this time to consider a motion to dismiss without prejudice.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice as the officer has failed to appear. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the people.
Well, I'm
versus-
mute now.
Yeah, you
I
can hang
believe
up.
you unmuted. Muted now.
I'll remove you, don't worry. Okay.
This is the people versus Dewan Raymore, ticket number. Sorry, give me, I'm just trying to see where he is at the docket.
8:45, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ticket number SP 1435900, count two, drive-out license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name. I don't see him.
He's right.
Don Juan
there he is.
Ortiz Raymore.
Thank you. Judge, for the purpose of arraignment, would you adjourn this matter? The defendant has an arraignment on June 13th and 3 other matters. Could we just arraign on all those matters on June 13th, please?
Yes, give me one moment. So I see that he does have a hearing set for June 14th at 1:30.
Yes.
So why don't we move it to June 14th at 8:35?
Okay.
So let me print these out.
And so for arraignment purposes, as to any of the matters for which the defendant appears this morning for arraignment, please enter a not guilty plea on his behalf and set the matter for the next action date.
Yes, okay, so I'll set it for pretrial. Let me call him.
Thank you.
All right, so this is the people versus Dewan Raymore on ticket number SS 4191596. Count one, failure to use seatbelt assembly system effective 1/1/86. And then count two, no operator's license on person. You read the form reading, you stand mute, and then we'll set these matters for a pretrial on May 23rd at 8:35. Or did you just want to still do are you okay with bringing it back sooner?
May is fine, Your Honor. Is that right, Mr. Raymore? Speak up, please.
Yeah. Yes.
Thank you.
Yeah, so we'll set it for May 23rd at 8:35.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, good luck, sir. Please, sir.
Nose is in that file,
You'll see it.
Yeah.
You'll change it. Okay.
because that date is when,
It was June 14th, but I said everything.
okay, so our user RA, and so on June,
I printed them out. I was there.
all those RAs in there.
All right, I'm sorry, one moment.
Forgive my interruption. I did forget to ask Mr. Lewis if he would confirm a valid driver's license for Mr. Ragland.
We do our, definition.
SP 1244342.
What's the name?
DeMarco Ragland, Ragland.
I have it.
Driver's license.
R 245-135-135-63.
Came back from, Lee Walker, deceased. Yeah.
All right, it is valid, Mr. Buckman.
Thank you.
Does he have valid insurance as well?
He does. Valid insurance. And
All right. All right, this is the people versus DeMarco Ragland, ticket number SP 1244342, count 1, drove a license not valid or proper license, count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please state your name to the record.
good morning, Your Honor. Harry Baughman on behalf of the defendant. Sir, state your name, please.
Good morning, DeMarco Ragland.
Thank you, Mr. Ragland. Your Honor, this matter is here for a arraignment on the bench warrant. So please, for that purpose, enter a not guilty plea for the defendant while waiving formal reading of the information or complaint. And ask that you recall the capias.
All right, the court will set that bench where we call the cases.
Thank you, Judge. The defendant presents today with valid and current insurance from USA Underwriters that expires on 10/14/2023 in his name. He also presents a valid driver's license. It just was issued on March 30th of 2023 and will not expire until August 13th of 2026. Finding these documents to be valid and current, would you dismiss the instant cases per policy? I would thank the court and the prosecutor and stipulate to probable cause.
All right, so these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Ragland, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Welcome. One second. All right, this is the people versus Lafayette Deering, ticket number SP 1419723, count 1, drive and register a title vehicle. Good morning, please state your name to the record.
Harry Baughman for the defendant. State your name, please.
Deering, we can't hear you.
Oh, you know what? He's connected, and his phone connection is still in the breakout room. And that would be, let me see what room he was in.
I got it. It's room number
Thank
5.
you.
Mr. Ragland, you can leave. You're done. Your cases were dismissed. You can leave. You're muted.
Deering, say your name, sir. Say your name, Mr. Darian.
Lafayette Deary.
Harry Bachman for the defendant. We will waive a formal reading of the information and complaint, and for arraignment purposes, Your Honor, please enter a not guilty plea for the defendant. I would also indicate that he presents today with valid and current registration. This is to his 2010 Chrysler wagon, Your Honor. It's in his name and will not expire until September 23rd of 2023. I have examined this document and am attesting to it as an officer of the court. Please dismiss the incident case for compliance, and I stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
Prior to this matter is dismissed without prejudice, as Mr. Darian has provided valid documentation. You are all set, sir. Good luck to you.